Three Movers is your go-to company when moving to or from Newport News, Virginia. We offer the best professional moving services at a very affordable price. If you're moving locally, across the city, we will only charge you by the hour for those small jobs so you don't overpay. If you're moving long distances or internationally to or from Virginia, then we will provide you with a quote so you know exactly how much the entire move will cost. We offer a full-service packing and unpacking option for those people that are too busy to do this tedious task on their own. We have all the right equipment to make sure the job gets done correctly and your belongings stay safe. If you have a car, boat, bike, or other large automobiles, we will get you the best price possible to get them to the destination in a timely and secure manner. We even have storage solution of all sizes at an affordable price. Give us a call today at 888-908-6496, and one of our friendly customer service agents will be happy to help you get a quote or answer any questions. Or if you prefer to visit our website, threemovers.com, you can get a free quote in just a few clicks of the mouse.